So, a new joint venture between one of America's largest banks and a growing build-to-rent operator is the latest sign that big investors are undeterred by the current volatile real estate market today. So, Haven Realty Capital and JP Morgan Chase asset management arm said that they are going to be investing $1 billion to develop and build single-family build-to-rent homes across the country, according to a report that happened on November 15th. So, build-to-rent is definitely a useful response to the current market needs right now because the build-to-rent trend, it initially emerged during the Great Recession as a way for home builders to continue adding supply in the market at a time where consumers really weren't buying homes that regularly. And that's kind of happening today due to the rising mortgage rates that are going on, right? It went from around 3% to now around 6, a little over 6% to get a mortgage in today's market. And this just really refers to a process where developers construct an entire community of typically detached single family homes that are later then rented out by the other operating partner that manages that side of the business. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below if this is going to be a successful business model between JP Morgan Chase and Haven Realty Capital.